Hello everyone, welcome back to Prompt and Process, where we upskill with confidence, one tool at a time. Today we'll be unlocking the magic of Flash Fill in Excel, a super quick way to clean or transform your data without using a single formula. Flash Fill works when Excel spots a pattern in what you type and then fills in the rest for you instantly. You can use it to reformat names, split or join text, clean phone numbers, and so much more. Let's get right to it. We'll be learning how to fix name capitalization, where the names are in different cases. We'll be learning how to fix them. Also, extracting first names and last names. We'll also see how we can combine names together, how we can reformat phone numbers using flash fields. Let's get to it. So let's go back to our first example. Now we are going to use flash fill to um, arrange those names. You can see they are not in the proper cases. Some are in the uppercase letters while some are in the lowercase letters. So we are just going to fix it. Uh, and this is what we are going to do. We are going to come to the next column and write John Doe in the proper case, and then enter, then Ctrl E. Magic. It corrects everything because you've written the first one in the proper case, how it's supposed to be. Excel detects a pattern when you enter Ctrl C and it corrects every other thing beneath it. Now, we can also use it in extraction. Let's say I want to extract the first names from those names. All I just have to do is to type out the first name, John, hit enter, Control E, and it gives me the first name. Here you have it. Now, the last names, I want to also extract the last name. You can also do the same thing. Type your first last name, hit enter, Control E. It extracts everything for you. What up if you want to join them back together? You can also do so like this. You type it together, John Doe, John Doe, DOE. Enter Control E, and it gives you everything. This is how Flash Fill works. You can also use it to separate numbers, email, and anything you want to separate. Now let's go here. Let's separate the area code from the phone number. So this is what I'm going to do. 1, 2, 3. I'm closing my parentheses. Then I'll put in the next 4, 5, 6. Then I'll put a dash. Then the rest of the numbers 7, 8, 9, 0. Enter. Then Control E. It arranges every other thing beneath it. Now, Control E is the shortcut. Now, you can also find it here in the Data tab. Then here in Data Tools is Flash Fill. It automatically fills in the value when it detects a pattern. That's how it works. So that is Flash Fill. Quick, smart, and no formulas needed. If you found this helpful, kindly hit the like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any other Excel tip. And remember, upskill with confidence, one tool at a time. God bless you. Have a beautiful day.